Tech Trends Shaping the Future. In Tech Trends Shaping the Future, we dive deep into the world of technology, innovation, and the trends shaping our future. We're talking about some of the most exciting, impactful, and even controversial tech trends transforming industries, our daily lives, and the world around us. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or just curious about where the world is heading, we will provide insights into where we're going and how technology will shape our future. So, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. First up, let's talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning, two buzzwords that have not only infiltrated every sector of the economy but are also the driving forces behind many of the technologies we'll discuss today. AI and machine learning are reshaping industries. In healthcare, they help doctors diagnose diseases with higher accuracy. In finance, they predict stock trends and detect fraud. Even our day-to-day lives are influenced by AI, from the recommendations we get on streaming platforms to our interactions with digital assistants like Alexa and Siri. One of the most groundbreaking advancements is generative AI. With tools like ChatGPT, Bard, and Midjourney, we're seeing AI that can create, converse, and even write code. But these tools also come with ethical challenges. There are debates about data privacy, AI bias, and the potential displacement of human jobs. What are the regulations we need? How do we ensure AI aligns with human values? These are questions we, as a society, will need to answer sooner rather than later. Quantum computing. Now, from the digital to the quantum, we're talking about quantum computing. For years, quantum computing was mostly theoretical. However, companies like Google, IBM, and smaller startups are racing to make quantum computing a reality. Quantum computers operate differently than classical computers by using qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This allows them to solve complex problems that would take traditional computers thousands or even millions of years. So, why does this matter? Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and climate modeling. Imagine finding a cure for diseases or accurately predicting climate change impacts within seconds instead of years. That's the promise of quantum computing. However, there are still significant hurdles. Quantum computers are fragile, error-prone, and require extremely low temperatures to function. It might take another decade or more before we see large-scale commercial applications, but the potential is revolutionary. 5G and the Internet of Things, IoT. 5G and the Internet of Things, a trend that's all about connectivity. 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology, is drastically increasing the speed and responsiveness of our networks. For consumers, this means faster streaming, smoother video calls, and more reliable connectivity. But beyond individual use, 5G is powering the growth of IoT, where interconnected devices can communicate with each other and make decisions autonomously. From smart cities to autonomous vehicles, the applications are endless. Imagine a city where traffic lights communicate with each other to ease congestion, or an agricultural system where sensors monitor crops and automate watering based on real-time weather and soil conditions. But as always, there are privacy concerns. With more connected devices, there's also a larger surface for cyber attacks. Ensuring security for all these connected devices will be a major challenge for companies and governments alike. Metaverse and virtual reality VR, or the augmented reality AR. Let's shift gears and dive into a topic that has sparked both excitement and skepticism: the metaverse. The metaverse promises a fully immersive, interconnected virtual world where people can interact, work, and play in a digital space. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, and countless startups are investing billions into creating virtual environments for socialization, commerce, and entertainment. Virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR are at the heart of the metaverse experience. VR provides a fully immersive experience, whereas AR adds digital elements to our physical reality, as seen with Pokémon Go or AR-enabled shopping apps. However, despite the hype, the metaverse has faced significant hurdles. There's the issue of accessibility. Not everyone can afford a high-end VR headset, and then there's the question of its actual utility. Will the metaverse become an integral part of our daily lives or remain a niche for gaming and social interaction? Only time will tell, but as these technologies become more sophisticated, we might find ourselves spending more time in the digital world than we could have ever imagined. Sustainability and green tech. Another crucial area in tech is sustainability and green tech. Climate change is a pressing issue, and technology has a pivotal role in addressing it. We're seeing innovations in renewable energy, carbon capture, and electric vehicles. Companies are developing solar panels that are more efficient, wind turbines that take up less space, and batteries with higher storage capacities. Electric vehicles are also becoming mainstream thanks to advances in battery technology and a growing network of charging infrastructure. Then there's the rise of smart grids and energy-efficient buildings, which use AI to optimize energy usage and reduce waste. However, while tech can help solve environmental issues, it also has its own carbon footprint. Data centers, for example, consume vast amounts of electricity, and the production of tech hardware requires significant resources. The question remains, can technology be both a solution to and a part of the climate change problem? As we innovate, it's crucial to ensure these solutions are sustainable in the long term. Cybersecurity and privacy concerns. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about cybersecurity and privacy. As we connect more devices and rely more on digital platforms, cybersecurity has become a critical issue. High-profile data breaches have exposed millions of people's information, and cybersecurity threats are only growing more sophisticated. With the rise of AI-driven cyber attacks, companies are investing in equally advanced defenses, using machine learning to predict and counter threats. However, privacy is an area of ongoing debate. Many tech companies rely on personal data to improve their services, but at what cost? Governments worldwide are introducing legislation to protect consumers' data, with frameworks like Europe's GDPR leading the way. Balancing convenience and privacy will be a defining challenge for tech in the coming years. Our thoughts on tech trends shaping the future. So, there you have it, 6 tech trends that are redefining our world, from the potential of quantum computing to the immersive experiences of the metaverse. These advancements hold immense promise but also raise significant questions and challenges. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, we need to think critically about how we shape technology to serve humanity's best interests. It's up to innovators, policymakers, and each of us as consumers to ensure these technologies are ethical, inclusive, and beneficial for society as a whole.